So to make these super creamy mashed potatoes, I already have peeled about 5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, and in this batch I put it in some water while I was peeling it. We will take the potatoes and we'll cut them into smaller pieces and then put it into a large pot. So now that these are cut up, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the pot with some water, bring it to a boil, and then cook it until it's fork tender, probably about 25 minutes or so, give or take 5 minutes. Mashed potatoes are all done. They are so creamy, and if you couldn't already tell, these are definitely not healthy. If you want it like this, I'm sorry, you gotta go the whole way. It's either in or out. So I hope you like the recipe. It will be in the description box down below as always. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments of what you liked and what you didn't like about this. As always, thanks for watching. Have a monster-ific holiday with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.